What's up, you all, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie G, and today I wanted to talk about some street photography tools and accessories that will help you on your street photography adventures.
Let's get to it.
So first of all, bag. I absolutely love this bag. I've tried a lot of different bags. If you've just seen me on the street, I carry a lot of different bags. I have the Moment one, which I don't really like that much, and two Peak Design ones, which I actually do like a lot. This is my most recent one, and I really just love it. It's my little Merce, I call it. It's just beautiful. It's nice and slim. Look at that. Oof. Look at that slim factor. And if you think I can't fit this camera in here, you got another thing coming for you, buddy. Because I can fit that camera in there, and look at that. That's still pretty thin. Let me shut up. That was a good, that's what she said joke. He said. Anyway, yeah, highly recommend this Peak Design bag. Check it out. It's the tech pouch. I love it. So I'm just gonna go through some of the essentials that I use every day when I'm out on the street. If you watched my last video, you know that I carry around a light meter when I'm shooting film and a gray card. Again, I don't use this gigantic gray card. I just cut it out into a wallet-sized card, and then I set my ISO, desired ISO, and shutter speed, meter for it, and usually the lighting situation I'm in with the gray card, I will always get a perfect exposure. If you guys want a video on that, I'll definitely do a video on that and show you guys the results at another time. Another thing I like to carry around, AirPods. Sometimes, people are like, oh, when we're out on the streets, we like to be a part of the environment, just listen to the sounds and everything. Yeah, that's true. I like that as well. I like doing that as well. But sometimes you kind of just want to go down there because you're just in a certain mood and just chill and just cruise and make photographs and just listen to some music. I listen to a lot of music, and I have just like certain tracks that I'll listen to just to kind of inspire me while I'm out there. I'll listen to a podcast, anything, because it's really just a time I'm just chilling, relaxing, and enjoying myself. Headphones, get yourself a pair. They're fun. Obviously, extra batteries for your light meter, because that's essential as well. Don't want to have a dead meter. So these next two objects you'll probably laugh at. Advil. Well, these aren't drugs. I mean, they technically are, but Advil. If you're out for a long time and you either start having body aches or a headache, headaches I get like actually fairly frequently, Advil is something just clutch to have on hand. Like, these are tips people don't give you. You never want to be in a situation where you got a headache but you're in the mood to take photographs and you can't. Carry around Advil, aspirin, whatever your choice headache reliever is. The next one is my eye relievers. Napicon, man, that good old goody good eye drops. These are serious things I carry around. I'm a filmmaker as well, and whenever I go out on a set and I'm just like away from home or just not in a situation where I know I'll be able to run and like quickly take care of like my eye allergies that I sometimes just severely get, or just I get dry eyes really easily, especially if it's like windy or something. Having Napicon A to keep them eyeballs moist is beautiful, man. Just carry this stuff, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna come in clutch. That once in a lifetime time it happens. Carry it around. Obviously, carry around lens wipes and stuff. Keep your glasses clean. Keep your glass clean. And then last but not least, I carry around filters, different lens filters. I use a flash as well, so this orange filter I love using an orange filter with flash. This kind of just gives you just such a beautiful filmic look with digital cameras when you're out photographing and just using like the on-camera flash on the Fuji, which I absolutely love. And then I have just a regular UV filter, and then obviously a black ProMIS filter that I use on the X100V. I do not use that with film. I really don't use any filters with film at all, just mainly digital, just to aid and just really, push my images towards a look that I prefer or just like, in my own personal opinion. But yeah, that's about it in terms of my street photography accessories. So yeah, go pick yourself up some Advil, some lens wipes, a light meter, and some eye drops and some AirPods, and like go make the best banger street photos you've ever seen. So yeah, go ahead and grab yourself some Advil, some Napicon A, some back pain medicine, some lens wipes, and headphones and filters. This stuff really helps, man. Light meter too, when you're out there on the streets. And then obviously, you know, light bag, because we ain't trying to stress the back. But appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you hit that like button, show us some love, because that definitely helps these videos out. Love you guys. Love making this stuff. Catch you in the next one. Please consider subscribing. Peace.